Guys, welcome back. It's another beautiful day, and the same time today's recipe day. Yeah, so we are doing recipe today. Before that, let me arrange this kitchen. So this one is dishes that we wash. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? So I baked with this pan yesterday, but I'm not baking with this one today. So we are doing cake today, guys. Yeah, we are baking cake, but it's not going to be on this pan. So yeah, so we just wash all these ones. Let me arrange it. So let me mention what they call it. So let's bring the ingredients, guys. I'm going to do the ingredients with you. Like the ingredients I'm using. So I'll be buying this banana now. So yeah, let's keep this one for now. Now this plantain is still here, guys. Oh God, it don't just spoil. That plantain I used to do this bole recipe, guys. It's still here. I haven't used it. I don't know. To cook all these things sometimes. Not easy. I don't know. Let's clean here. So we are making butter cake today. So this one is the butter we'll be using. So yeah. So yeah, let me arrange the ingredients. So this one is sugar. So over here we have sugar. So yeah. So we are going to be needing this egg. Let me bring plate for it. So egg will be here. Then next you are needing this. This one is baking powder. So I'll be needing baking powder for the recipe. So yeah, this one is baking powder. So I keep that one here. So this one is butter we cut from it. So this one is so I'm going to be using this one for sugar. So this one is 3/4. So I'm using 2 of it. So this one is vanilla extract. So I'm using this 1/2 cup. So yeah. This one is flour, and this is the flour I use for my baking. All my baking, I use this particular flour. So yeah, let's open this one. So first I'm going to get that spread. So now I'm going to be needing 1 cup from it. So yeah, this 1 cup is good to go. So yeah. So for the butter, guys, we are going to divide it like this. So yeah. So this one we go back to the fridge, and then this one we are going to be using this particular one. So we are going to be using this one like this. So yeah. And then again we are going to be baking with this pan. So for next we are going to be needing milk, and then it's going to be this half 4/4. Okay, so this is 4/4, quarter. So just pinch of milk like this is okay. So yeah, this is what you need for this delicious recipe, guys. So always remember, this is going to drop on Lady B Kitchen, and then yeah, follow us, and then let's see how this has been done. I'm going to show you guys the outcome. So yeah, this is the ingredients needed, and then let's watch out for this recipe. It's so delicious. Once you just add this in your mouth, it's just going to melt, and the center and the dryness is going to make it to look more crispy, and everyone that eats with you, we appreciate you. All you do is to share this recipe and follow this process. In my next one, bye.